Welcome to the debate. Our discussion today stems from source material that makes a really profound claim that China's sustained unity and its national strength are fundamentally rooted in its codified laws, in its formal legal structure. The argument is that these factors are actually more critical than, say, cultural cohesion or even economic drivers.
Right, and that assertion really forces us to dig into the exact mechanism of cohesion. We have to decide if that unity comes from the certainty of the legal text itself or from the power that's behind its execution.
Exactly. So, what we're debating is whether China's unity is fundamentally secured by the structure of its legal code, the Constitution, specific laws, that whole framework, or whether that legal system is in practice really just an instrument for an overriding central political authority, and authority that derives its power from the unitary system itself.
And that distinction is, I think,